Ruto, all leaders present, all the families of survivors, the survivors of the surviving students, the clergy, and all and everybody who has come to mourn with us. Good afternoon. I stand before you as a representative of the parents who lost their dear daughters. And I must attest to the fact that it is by divine grace that I'm able to stand before you today. I don't have so much to say, but as I was told that I would come and say something, I felt that it is good to come and say something on behalf of the survivors or the victims' family. So, the mother of our nation, all leaders of our nation, parents present, the youth represented, and all citizens, I greet you with profound respect. Good afternoon. It is another unfolding, a great day that we have converged not to merely disperse accolades, but to merge our boundless hearts in honoring the perished souls. To the families and loved ones of those we have lost, there are no words sufficient to ease the profound weight of your grief and pain. Today, my heart breaks alongside yours. We gather not just to mourn, but to honor the precious lives that were taken from us too soon. Their names, their stories, and the joy they brought into the world will never be forgotten. They will forever remain a part of who we are. To our survivors, I fully understand you carry scars that are both visible and invisible, and your journey towards healing is heavy but bearable. Please know that you do not have to carry this burden alone. Besides our unwavering love, your strength is an inspiration. You should not think that you are all alone. We stand with you today, tomorrow, and for all the days ahead, ready to support you in every step of your recovery, physically and mentally, in honor of the departed souls. To our religious leaders and spiritual leaders, our clergy and faith communities, we are so grateful for being anchors of comfort and hope during this moment of deep sorrow, the darkest moment of each and every family that has been a victim. Your guidance, your presence provided a sanctuary for weary souls and deprived minds, reminding us of the enduring proof of faith, grace, and community when our hearts are most broken. To the students countrywide, you are the heartbeat of our future and the very artists of the seemingly floating world. And we hear your grief, your fears, and your calls for change. Know that safety your well-being and your right to learn in peace are our sacred responsibilities and the biggest of all concerns. And we stand united across this nation to shield you, prioritize your safety as much as you burn the midnight oil in your studies. Remember that there is life out there more important than anything else. To our able leaders and government officials present today in this occasion, your presence here is a vital acknowledgement of the unimaginable tragedy. We look to you, not just for comfort in this hour of darkness, but for solid action, accountability, We look at you not for comfort in this hour of darkness, but for solid action, accountability, and all leadership in the days to come. We trust that you will use your authority to seek justice, provide necessary resources for healing, and to ensure that every measure is taken to protect our very students in schools and citizens at large, so that such dehumanizing tragedies will never recur in our nation. To our entire community, have in mind that adversity tests the fabric of who we are, but it also reveals our deepest capacity for compassion. Let us wrap ourselves in love and solidarity. Let us be the shoulders to lean on for each other, the hands that will help rebuild, and the voices that refuse to let hope fade. We've incurred a loss today, and we are all suffering in different ways. But greater promises of the Almighty await us. Let us be consistent in prayers, uphold humanity, proper upbringing of our biggest investment, our children, and hope for a brighter future. Together, we will remember our departed souls. We will heal. We will endure. Thank you. Asanteni na pia kwa the entire community and the leadership of Kenya. Ninasikia niseme hivi. It is time that we rise up. It is time for us to have a new beginning. As far as the new policies that are in the education sector are concerned, we need to rise up. We need to sober up and see the best way how we can bring soberness in our schools. Wazazi wetu, najua wako wetu wengine maisha ni ngumu. Wakati mwingine ni kweli tunalaumu walimu. Lakini ninawaomba kama mzazi ambaye anaugua, let us create time for our children. Let us have time with our daughters so that wazazi ninawaomba tupate kuwa na wakati na watoto wetu. Let us not focus on looking for money and forget that we have a sole responsibility of bringing up laws that is lives that will be accountable. At times we are so busy, and some of these children are seeking attention in wrong ways. makosa ikitokea, tunawalaumu walimu. Tafadhali wazazi, wacha tuchukue jukumu letu kama wazazi. Let us do our best as parents. Na walimu wetu, I think teaching is a calling. Let us do our best to ensure that the lives that God has entrusted with us are safe, well taken care of. And I'm very sure if we gather forces, tukiungana mikono pamoja, such a thing will never happen. May the soul of our departed daughters and the dreams shattered rest in peace. To God be the glory. Thank you.